Harn, just one side, the left side for the drawer box. And we already showed you guys how to install this one right here, which you just easily clip it in here, pop it right in, and it just locks in place with this little pin here. So this is like the other version of it. Sometimes you might have issues when you're installing this one here, just because it's a pretty fixed bracket. And then sometimes when you have your wooden drawer right here kind of protruding out, it's gonna prevent it from clicking all the way into place. So that's why when you have that issue, I go ahead and recommend this one, just because it has more wiggle room for the plate here. So I already loosened this screw here, and if you loosen it too far, this plate could actually come off, but you could easily put it back in there. So you just fit this right in there. You can see the other side here too. And you want to make sure the screw side is on the outside right here. And once you have it kind of tight, nicely in there, you just want to go ahead and go on the screw here. Just start tightening that right there. You don't want to over tighten it too, just enough just to where it holds it. Because this little piece here is going to be holding a little piece that's kind of notched out. And then that should be tight enough right there. And then if your drawer box doesn't look like this one here, it does not look like that, then these brackets will not work for your drawer. And then we'll also show you a picture of one that is pretty common that people get confused and they want to go ahead and order these brackets for, but it will not work. And in that case, you want to switch out your drawer box. And we'll show you a link on how you can switch out your drawer box, which usually costs anywhere from like $15 to $20, depending on the size of these. But yeah, that's pretty much it.